Good morning class. Welcome to Maths Classroom. Today in our this video we are going to discuss the second topic of the chapter fractions and decimals, and the name of the topic is multiplication of fractions. As you have studied addition and subtraction of fractions in your previous videos, so today we are going to discuss about how to multiply a given fraction with a number. So let us start. So how to multiply a fraction with a whole number? If you are given a whole number and you have to multiply, you are given a whole number, for example you are given 3 and you have to multiply it by 5 by 7. So you are given a whole number and you are given a fraction. So how to multiply the given whole number with the fraction? So how will you do this? Let us see. What we have to do, we have to multiply this whole number with the given numerator. You have to multiply the whole number with the numerator of the given fraction. That means 5 threes are 15 by 7. So our answer is 15 by 7. So simply you have to multiply the numerator with the whole number, whether it is proper fraction, whether it is improper fraction. You have to simply multiply the numerator with the whole number and the denominator will remain the same. Clear? Let us see few examples. For example, 2 multiply 3 by 4. So 2 multiply 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 4, because we have 2 threes are 6. This 2 threes are 6, so we will have 6 by 4. But if you have to multiply a mixed fraction with the whole number, if you are given a mixed fraction, so how will you multiply this? First of all, you have to convert it into an improper fraction. Then you will multiply the numerator of the fraction with the whole number. So 2 is to 3 by 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5, and 13 2s are 26 by 5. Next, fraction as an operator of. Whenever you are written of, that means for example 1 by 2 of 24. So whenever of is written, of means multiplication. Whenever of is written between two numbers or fractions, that means multiplication is there. So 1 by, for example here it is given 1 by 2 of 24. So how will you write this? You are given a circle, total is 24. So half is 12 this side and 12 this side. So if you are given a complete number, that is 24, so half of that means 12 12 both sides. Or you can directly write it as half of 24 is 1 by 2 multiplied 24, 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24, answer is 12. In this way you will solve the of questions. Clear? Let us move to our exercise. Here is the first question. Which of the drawings A to D shows? You have to match the column types. So 2 multiply 1 by 5. 2 multiply 1 by 5. That means here it is the fraction. 5 parts are there. So you have to check in these drawings which one shows 5 parts. So here are the 5 parts. So 2 multiply 1 by 5. That means this is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5. So 2 multiply 1 by 5 is this. That means A part is with D1. Clear? Next is 2 multiply 1 by 2. That means you have to check where 2 parts are there. So in this 2 parts are there. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So 2 of 1 by 2 is this. 3 multiply 2 by 3. 3 parts are there. So here 3 parts are there. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. That means this is 3 multiply 2 by 3. 3 multiply 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, sorry 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 times. So this is your 3 multiply 1 by 4. Clear? Let us move to the next. Some pictures are given below. Tell which of them shows. Again the same, match the columns. So 3 multiply 1 by 5. Again you have to check where is 5 parts. So here 5 parts are and here 5 parts are there. But one more thing is there. Here see equal sign is there. And here 3 by 5. That means out of total 5 parts, you have to take 3 parts. Here are total 5 parts and you have to take how much parts? 3 parts. So this is the answer, 3 by 5. Next, 2 multiply 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. That means how many parts should be there? 3 parts. So here 2 multiply 1 by 3 and answer is 2 by 3. So the part is this. Because 1 by 3 part is there and 1 by 3 part is there. So total is 2 by 3. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3 parts whenever we will multiply, that means this means we have added 1 by 3 two times. Whenever it is written 2 multiply 1 by 3, that means we have added 1 by 3 how many times? 3 times. If it is written 3 multiply 1 by 3, that means we have added 1 by 3 3 times. So here 2 multiply 1 by 3, that means 1 by 3 is added 2 times and the answer is 2 by 3. So this is the A part. 3 multiply 3 by 4, that means 3 by 4 is added 3 times. 3 by 4 is added 3 times. So we will have 2 is to 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4. So we will have 2 complete values and 1 by 3, 1 by 4 value. So this is the answer for B part. Clear? Multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. That means if you got a improper fraction, you have to convert that into the mixed fraction. So first is 7 multiply 3 by 5. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the numerator with the whole number. So 7 3s are 21. 21 by 5. Then we will divide 21 by 5. So 4 is to 1 by 5 is our mixed fraction. Second part, 4 is to 1 by 3. We will have 4 by 3 and the answer is 1 is to 1 by 3, because whenever you will divide 4 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 1. So answer is 1 is to 1 by 3. Next part, 2 is to 6 by 7. That means 6 2s are 12 by 7 and answer is 1 is to 5 by 7. Similarly, you have to solve all these problems. Try to solve them yourself first, then you can check the solution. And if any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box. So the left out parts will be your do it yourself questions. The left out parts will be your do it yourself questions. Fourth one, share the following: 1 by 2 of the circle in the box. 1 by 2 means half of the circles in the box. So how many circles are given? 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 circles. So half of 12 is 6. That means how many circles you have to shade? 6 circles. So in this way you can shade this. 2 by 3 of the triangles in the box. How many triangles are there? 9 triangles. So what you have to do? 2 by 3 multiply 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6 triangles. That means you have to circle 6 triangles. Again you have 3 by 5 of the squares in the box. So how many squares are there? 15 squares. So 3 by 5 of 15. 5 3s are and 3 3s are 9. That means you have to shaded 9 squares you have to shade. Clear? Move to the next one. Find out the value half of 24 and 46. So half of 24 is 12, half of 46 is 23. So one thing that you have to keep into your mind, whenever off is there, you have to directly multiply the given value. 2 by 3 of 18, that means 2 by 3 multiply 18. 3 6 are 18, 6 2s are 12. In this way you can solve. And 2 by 3 of 27, 3 9s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So answer is 18 12. In this way you will solve this. Try to solve the left out parts with yourself. If you are not able to solve, then let me know. You can comment me in the comment box that ma'am, we are not able to solve this or we do not understand this. So let us move to the next one. Multiply and expressed as a mixed fraction. So here you are given a mixed fraction. So for multiplying, first of all you have to convert that into improper fraction. So first part I will solve for yourself. So first of all we have to convert this into improper fraction. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So 3 multiply 26 by 5, that is 78 by 5. Now you have to convert this 78 by 5 into a mixed fraction. So we will go for 15, 75, 3. So the answer is 15 is to 3 by 5. In this way we will solve this. First of all, you will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then after multiplication again you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Next is 5 multiply 6 by 3. So first of all we have to convert this 6 is to 3 by 4 into improper fraction. So we will convert it 27 by 4, then we will multiply 27 by 5, we will get 135 by 4, and the answer is 33 is to 3 by 4. In this way we will solve this. Try to solve the left out parts. Next is find the value 1 by 2 of 2 is to 3 by 4. So first of all you will convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 by 2 multiply 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. So the answer is 11 by 8, and then you have to find the answer as a mixed fraction. So the answer is 1 is to 1 by 3. In this way you have to solve. The next one is 1 by 2 of half of 4 is to 9 by 2. So 9 2s are 36, 36 plus 2 38 by 2, sorry 38 by 9, then we will cancel this 19. So 19 by 9, and the answer is, because 9 2s are 18 is to 2 is to 1 by 8 is your answer. In this way you will solve. So try to solve the B part given here. So the last question is, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. That means total water you have 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Vidya consumes 2 by 5 of the water. That means 2 by 5 of 5 liters. So 5 by 5 cancel. That means total water consumed by Vidya is 2 liter. So Pratap consumed the remaining water. So how much remaining water? 5 multiplied to 3 liter. That means Vidya consumed 2 liter and Pratap consumed 3 liter. So what is the question? How much water did Vidya consume? Vidya drink. That means 2 liter water we have found it. And how much fraction of the total will Pratap drink? So how will you solve this? You are given total amount of water is 5 liter. Vidya consume 2 by 5 of 5 liter. That means 5 will cancel 5 and we have 2 liter. So Vidya consume 2 liter of water. Now Pratap consume how much? Total we have 1 liter, one part. Total we have one complete value. Out of that 2 by 5 liter is consumed by Vidya. So we will left with 5 by 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5 liter, sorry 3 by 5 part is consumed by Pratap. You can solve it by this, or otherwise you can solve it like this. 5 liter total we have, out of that 2 liter was consumed by Vidya. So how much will left? 3 liter. So the part of Pratap is total we consume 3 liter out of 5. So the part is 3 by 5 part consumed by Pratap. In this way you can also solve this. So this is your exercise 2.2 based upon multiplication of fractions. I hope you all understand, because so easy questions are there. Try to solve the left out parts that I have skipped for you. And if any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box. Till then, stay home, stay safe.